Good morning, friends. So today we are going to make a paper airplane. You guys got these in your packages. This paper airplane that I'm going to make this morning is called the Eastern Star. So I have my piece of printer paper and I have some markers. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to decorate my page so my plane looks cool. So I'm just going to do some lines. I'll show you when I'm done. And I'm doing them all in different colors because I want it to be a colorful airplane. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just going really fast because in the end, it's not going to look this way anyway, right? Because we're going to make a paper airplane. And I'm just using all the colors I have. Okay, so my first side, just like this. And now I'm going to do my second side. Ooh. And I'm going to do something different. I'm going to do swirlies on the other side. All different kinds of swirlies. Maybe you get this. Alrighty. And then on my other side, I put swirlies, so you can see the lines in behind that. So for the Eastern Star, first it says to fold it in half. So we are going to fold it in half, lengthwise. So it looks just like this. Then you open it back up, and you take the corners, and you fold them into the line in the middle. Because the line in the middle is kind of where you stop to make it all even. So now it looks like this. Then we do a fold right across this line right here, okay? So we'll fold that down and make sure the point, the middle of your triangle, is in the middle of your paper. Just like this. Then, oh boy, this is going to be tricky, okay? Then we take our corners and we are going to bring them into about here, about 1 inch from the point, okay? So we'll go like this. And like this. So now it looks like this. And then I'm going to fold this little triangle that's left over, I'm going to fold it up. Okay, so now triangle's folded up, and I am going to fold it in half again, inwards. Oh no, wait, sorry. This little triangle is on the outside now, so we fold it like this. Like this so far. And then we fold the wings too. So the wings get folded right here. See this point, how it's straight? So the wings get folded at this corner here. Okay, and then you fold over your airplane to do the same on the other side, so your plane is the same on both sides. And this is it, guys. This is called the Eastern Star. And it just crashed. But I'm going to practice, and it's going to be a lot of fun because there's so many airplanes that when you have them all made, you could do an airplane race. Till next time, guys. Bye.